Hello, I'm Tom Allchurch with ActionCOACH NoLimits. Today we're going to be looking at the blog, how can you use time blocking techniques in your business? So time blocking techniques are a way of scheduling work to make sure that the balance of what you need to get done in your business as a business owner and as a team with your team is well balanced in order that the business runs smoothly. So, for example, have you ever been in a situation where your work is feast or famine? It's one or the other. You do a lot of marketing and selling, you bring in a load of work, you get really, really busy with all of that work. And then suddenly you get to the end of it and work's dried up because you haven't been marketing and selling. So time blocking is a way of overcoming this challenge. In ActionCOACH, we use a system called the default diary, and we combine that with daily planning. So in this blog, we're going to introduce you to default diary, how to assess what it is that you're doing right now, what you might need to be doing in your business to balance it. And we'll take you through a process that will allow you to put that into your business, into your way of working, and then expand that into your team's way of working. So have a good look at the blog, have a read of it. And if you need any help, reach out to your coach. I'm Tom Allchurch with ActionCOACH NoLimits.